That's not supposed to be hanging free like that. Well, summer is here. Forecast 34 today in Bendigo. And a trip down the road, and the hose on the radiator has blown off the bottom. I'm stuck at Big Hill, known because it's, well, the biggest hill around Bendigo. It's not really a big hill, but yeah, like I said, it's the biggest around Bendigo. But that's, you know, just over the crest. Fortunately, I've got this wide area to pull off the road on. But it's hot. It's really hot. And the RACV guy is probably an hour away. So while I'm waiting, I have a plan. I'm gonna go for a swim. Because just up here, in the back of this gully, there's a little dam. And the question I've got for everyone, wait till you see it, is how many leeches can I get by going for a swim in here? Doesn't look very appetizing, but it is cool. So we'll give it a go, eh? Oh, now, if you're watching this right now, I'm probably going to trim this out after I've uploaded it. So the risque bits where I'm getting undressed, you'll miss. I'll edit them, they'll be gone. Huh, look at that. Where is he? There's a shield grasshopper. Don't see them very often. Cool. I'm just crouching low because I am actually kind of in sight of the road, if anyone saw me. Oh, yuck. Oh, it doesn't look nice, but it is wet and it's not very deep. Knee deep. Oh! Oh! It's chilly. Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh. That'll do. I don't want to. Less time I stay in here, the less chance I'll get the leeches, and I don't know when the RACV guy's coming. Ow, Mozzies! Oh, fuck, they're vicious. Ah. Right, let's get some clothes on before someone comes along. Oh. Well, that's cooled things down a bit. So yeah, just a bit of fun. That's what this channel's for, really, is all the other stuff that doesn't fit on my prospecting channel, doesn't fit on my woodworking channel. So it's some of the serious stuff I do, but also a lot of the goofy stuff I do like this. So bye.